Listen to a little Blake Shelton as we change the oil in the old Coyote. There's the old filter and some dirty oil. Going back with the Purelator Boss filter and the Mobile Synthetic oil. 7 quarts going in this bad boy. Maybe she'll run a little smoother and get a little better gas mileage. There's a filter, Purelator Boss. A little bit of oil on that gasket, a little bit of oil inside, and she's ready to be put on. The filter location is under the truck, obviously. And right there is where she goes. Alright, the filter is on. I got a little oil everywhere from the old stuff. There it is, fully installed. Just remember, ladies and gentlemen, hand tight. Hand tight. You don't want any problems the next time it's time to change your oil. Ford recommends 7,500 miles or 3 months, whichever comes first on this bad boy. Here's the 5W20 Motorcraft filler spot. Because I'm a shorty, we got to get the bucket out so I can get up here. Got this here funnel going. This oil going. Hope I don't make a mess. To get the oil in there. And of course I spilled some, so that's going to probably burn off the manifold. Like I said, should take 7 quarts. Advance has a special right now. Mobile 1 synthetic oil with a filter for $24.99. Upgrade to the better filter for $2 more. Synthetic oil, she looks pretty. Alright, she's buttoned back up. I'm going to clean the truck off best I can. Wiped all off. A little bit down the frame, I ain't gonna worry, or the manifold, I ain't gonna worry about that. Now it's time to go over here and check the oil. Dipstick is right there. Alright, I started the truck. She sounds as smooth as can be. Now it's time to check this oil after she's done ran just a second. And there she is, clean and full. The oil change is now complete.